Hi everybody, Manucha from Moms and Crafters here with another fun tutorial, and this one is focused on bandana bracelets. Now I've shared tutorials for how to craft bandana bracelets before on my channel, but how do you close them? Now the standard way of closing them is to simply tie them into a bunny ear bow or knot, and I am not going to show you that because it's pretty self-explanatory. I will, however, show you different ways to do it that are sort of reusable. Now, I like to close all my friendship bracelets and things like that, like this, and I've even shared tutorials in the past how to do this on friendship bracelets. The process on a bandana or fabric bracelet is slightly different just because you do have a natural place to put the clasp. So we are going to use clasps to do this, and I'm going to show you another variation how to do this at the end. So to do this, you're going to measure the bracelet on your wrist and you're going to consider the amount of space that the clasp takes up. Because you're having a clasp give you a little bit of extra space, you're going to want it to trim it to basically fit exactly around your wrist, and then the clasp will add that looseness that you need to wear the bracelet comfortably. So you're going to trim that, and then you're going to carefully put on a ribbon crimp on each end. You want the ribbon crimp to completely cover the edge of the fabric, so make sure you use one of the correct size or to fold your fabric closer. And you're going to crimp that shut using pliers. You do that on one side, you flip it over, you do it on the other side, and you're going to do that on both ends of your bandana bracelet. Next, you are simply going to attach a jump ring to each end and a clasp to each end, and that is it. It's really that easy. It takes a few more minutes and gives your bracelet this polished look that makes it just so much more wearable. Now, let's talk about this one that I'm already showing you already made. I did not film the process, but I basically did it the same way. And instead of attaching a clasp, I attached slightly larger jump rings and I attached a pretty lace ribbon and tied that into a bow. That still gives you the kind of handkerchief kind of look that you get with bandana bracelets, but it gives you something that you can tie a smaller bow with, which just makes it a little bit more wearable. And it because it's like another piece and you can cut it to size, it kind of makes it a little bit easier, but you will need another person to tie it on your wrist for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Check out my channel for more of these bandana bracelet videos. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more fun tutorials like this one. And let me know in the comments if you do have any questions on this process.